This is all a lot of cosmetic stuff. All new carpet paint. It's got good bones. That.
Oh, not Noah. Sorry. Am I?
This is gonna be on YouTube, man.
Oh, is it recording? Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh.
It's a nice little window seat. This is washer dryer. You could put a table here. This is a nice big room. Whew, look at that ceiling. That's not bad. It's all fixable. Just a lot of typical moisture. This is your storage closet. Water heater would be in here. There are some termite tunnels, but not bad. There's an additional shed. I haven't opened it. This actually leads out to a common area. And those are single-family homes. The roof probably needs to be replaced. The neighbors look like they keep theirs up pretty good. This is a big closet, a half bath. It's okay. Say hi. This is a nice wide staircase. Ample closet space. And this master bedroom is nice and large. Decent size walk-in. Kind of a mini walk-in. And this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you've got a shared sink. Maybe we can even take this closet and make it a bathroom. Well, cosmetically, I would just leave the sink, and then this bathroom shares the sink and the toilet. There's definitely a lot of cosmetic work. Hello. This neighborhood is about $11.50 to $12.50 for the rent.